It was just last month that inmate Francisco Arias sued Department of Corrections officials for violating his Eighth Amendment rights by not providing him with proper and timely medical care. According to Arias, prison officials failed to refill his medications, exacerbating an infection in his toe, which left it permanently disfigured. However, the issue of unsatisfactory medical care at DOC dates back over 2 decades, when the Department of Justice sued the government of Guam regarding civil rights violations at DOC. This led to a 1991 consent decree ordering the prison to address medical, mental health, and dental care issues. Senator Brant McCready took a tour of DOC's infirmary this morning.
The tour was very interesting. I scheduled it this morning because I wanted to see for myself what the infirmary has done.
Dr. Johnny Wu, Director of Medical Services for Correctional Managed Healthcare at the University of Connecticut, is a consultant aiding the government of Guam.
We had a meeting last week with Dr. Wu and the Attorney General's office and some of the other local stakeholders that's involved in trying to get us out of that consent decree with the federal government. And so the infirmary was priority and number one on their list.
According to McCready, his tour of the infirmary yielded positive results, and work seems to be on track.
First and foremost, we have to get that black cloud of federal receivership out from under, and I think we're making progress and some headway there. And so we have a target date of September, and we're on that target date.
However, there are still several other looming issues, the most pressing of which is how a recent detainee, Maisie Alois, was able to escape unnoticed from the prison for roughly 3 days. McCready says this puts DOC protocols as well as the safety of the community in question. He held an oversight hearing this afternoon to discuss the issue in depth with legislators.
Whether it's hiring people, whether it's feeding people, and whether it's making sure your perimeters are safe and secure so the community is safe, I think we need to be more consistent every day in making sure our job is complete.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Isa Baza.